What's up, Tech Nation? Okay, first of all, if you guys play Pokemon Go, which me and my wife, we play Pokemon Go, I'm going to put my gamer QR code right there so that you can scan it and then we can become friends and we can play together. And then I can send you gifts and all that stuff. If you don't play Pokemon Go, don't worry about it. But if you do, then just go ahead and friend me, send me a request, and we'll hook up. All right. You guys ready? So today we're going to do something we've never done before. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and I need to do some shopping so I can do some cooking. So I can't drive right now. My wife's upstairs working. So I'm going to order everything. I've never done this before. I'm going to order everything on Walmart.com or whatever on the app. And I'm going to have it waiting for us when we get to the store. And I'll show you if it's a success or a failure. One of the things that people are concerned about is produce. Nobody wants anybody picking out produce for them. I have to get produce. So we'll see what that looks like. See if it's worth it. See if you should ever do it again. See if they screw it up. We're going to find it all out. So let's go to the iPhone, and we're going to go to the app, and we're going to record me putting in all my orders for what I need, okay? And I got a whole shopping list, so should be fun. All right, let's do it. We're on my phone, and let's see here. Let's go to Walmart. Whoops. Let's go to Walmart, and let's go home. Okay, I do need cauliflower. I've already pulled that up, so let's get two of those. And let's hope they pick me out good. See, that's the thing we're afraid of. They're going to give me the crappy stuff, and I'm going to throw a fit. So let's do... crushed tomatoes. Need a 6-pack? Sure. We'll do that. You know what? I don't want this brand. I want the good stuff. There it is. That is the good stuff. So let's see. I don't want 12 of them. So they're limiting me right now on how many I can order. So I'm going to go back. Take the other brand, 6-pack, because I only need 6 cans. I don't need 12. So let's add that to the cart. Item is added. All right, now let's go to my list, shopping list on Google. 3 bags of pork rinds. Let's go here and put in pork rinds. 3 bags of pork rinds. Which ones? Barbecue? No. We'll do the regular one. In-store only. I don't want in-store only. In-store purchase only. In-store purchase only. Well, that's a bummer. They're all in-store purchase only. Well, how do I do my shopping then? Nice job, Walmart. So let's, Ryan's chili lime. Look at that. Let's find one that's not in-store only. They all say in-store purchase only. Oh, this one doesn't. So we'll get this one. I don't care that it's hot and spicy. So I'm having to settle. I'm having to get these. Let's do a 3-pack. Okay, and then where's add to cart? Add to cart. I don't see add to cart anywhere. Hold on. Did I miss it? Oh, out of stock. Lovely. Right there. Okay, so this isn't a very good experience so far. So let me see if I can find other pork rinds that are not out of stock. How about this? 6 bags. I don't want 6 bags. In-store purchase only. Sold and shipped by M&M Trading. Sold and shipped by... Oh, they're letting third parties ship me food. Yeah, that's not going to work. Okay. So I'm going to go get some other items. I'm not going to worry about this. I got to get pork rinds physically. I can't get it through this app because everything says in-store only. Let's go to my list. What else? I need 2 pounds, which I didn't put it, but I need 2 pounds of vegetables. So let's try 2 pounds mixed frozen veggies. 2 pounds mixed frozen veggies. Let's see what it said. In-store purchase only. Okay, we're having a problem with in-store purchase only. It's great you're showing me these products, but I can't purchase them ahead of time and have it waiting for me because you say it's in-store purchase only. Let's see if I can buy it anyway. Hold on a minute. I need 12 ounces here. Let's see. Let's do this one right here. Can I add it to my cart? It's in-store only. That is total bummer. This app does me no good. Putting it online does me no good. Allowing me to shop does me no good. Okay, so what we found out is that Walmart app is not shoppable. Don't do it, no matter what, food-wise. Their grocery, a lot of their grocery says in-store purchase only. That does me no good if I'm trying to purchase it through your app and then pick it up at your store. I know a lot of stores are going that way, so we'll try somebody else on another video. But for right now, stay away from the Walmart app. Go to Walmart if you need something and buy it yourself. And don't mess with this problem of in-store purchase only. All right? Okay, guys. So you saw it here first. We tried it out. So we'll try like Amazon or Kroger or somebody else next and see if it's worth doing. I'll take the hit if it's not worth doing, okay? All right, take care, and I'll see you on the next episode. Love you. Bye.